Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Teufel Real Blue wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to your device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting or making weird sounds, any kind of functionality or connectivity issues can often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set them up again, as this will delete all of the pairing history on them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just have them forget all of their previous pairings so that you can set them up with a new device as though they just came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. This is a real easy thing to do. All we need to do is on the headphones themselves, we're going to find the power button and the A and C button, and we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously. You will see that after 4 seconds, this will start to blink blue and red alternately, and then the light will eventually go out, indicating that the reset is complete.